Well, I'm up at A Basin. I jumped on one of the ski lifts to get out and see the mountain completely. Lots of people out here enjoying this fresh snowfall from all over the state. I even talked to some people from Wyoming. A Basin was packed today, and that fresh snow was the exact reason.
It's been one of our busiest days of the year.
There was, 16, 17 inches up at the top. And there was just amazing powder up there.
Ski fast, have fun.
Skiers and snowboarders flocking to the high country after a late spring snowstorm helped refresh the slopes.
A week ago it was mostly dirt on the non-groomed surfaces, and after last night with 16 new, well, you can see behind me, it's been a powder day all day.
Jesse True, who works for A Basin, says the excitement of the storm won't just last for a day.
Tomorrow's going to be fantastic. Early next week's going to be great when the sun comes out.
And they count on their staff to step up and handle the crowds.
But at one point, we said all lots full, come back after one. Which we have not had to do very much this year.
With all hands on deck. As a reminder, it is the end of May, and some of the employees have already taken off to different jobs for the summer season.
Everybody helps in a little bit, doing everything from shoveling to shuttle driving to making pizzas.
Just down I-70 and over Berthoud Pass, Winter Park celebrating their closing day for the season with several inches of fresh snow and long lines.
It hasn't snowed in a while. It's been so hot, and I love skiing. It's my life.
Snowfall's amazing.
But A Basin, with the advantage of elevation, will keep their lifts running until early June, appreciating Mother Nature's helping hand to do so.
Awesome day. If you still can't come out tomorrow for sure.
Now, A Basin's official closing day is June 5th, so make sure you get up here and enjoy the snow and the ski season while it lasts. At A Basin, Courtney Fromm, Fox 31.